Hi guys, so we're here in the domains tab, and basically what we see here is that Shopify has already created two email addresses for email forwarding for us. So basically we can use these emails whenever we want someone to send us an email, whenever we want to send to have a customer support email, that type of thing. So basically, whenever someone sends an email to info@happypawsoutlet.com, it's going to forward that email to ecomprofitmasterclass@gmail.com. So it's basically just forwarding all those emails to our personal Gmail account. This just makes it look a lot more professional on the storefront. So we will probably want to add another email here, support, and we want it to go to. So yeah, it's as easy as that. We now we have three. So basically, what you can do here, you can even change this email. Like, let's say you use this email for something, you just want to maintain it, clean. You don't want a lot of stuff going into it. You can actually change these forwarding emails, and you can change it to another email, like a VA email, where a VA is going to be answering the emails for you. But yeah, this is a very simple and easy process to just add forwarding emails. Just makes your store look a lot more professional. And whenever someone's contacting you, they can contact you through one of these emails. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and see you in the next one.